Okay, so just going to take one more look at finding the gradient between 2 points. So I'll just give you 2 examples here. So we'll find the gradient between A, which is -1, 2, and B, which is 4, 3. And then we're going to do for A, which is 5, 2, and B, which is, let's go -3, 4. Okay, so the first one, so we go to across to -1 and up to 2, that's there. The next one we go across to 4 and up to 3. So if we want the gradient of that line there, we need to draw a right angle triangle. And this here is our rise and that there is our run. So our rise is 1 unit, our run is 1, 2, 3, 4. You just have to count the squares. So it'll be 1 on 4. It's going uphill, so it will be positive. Okay, now let's just do the other one. So we go 5. So we go across 5 up to 2. So that's up there. And then across to -3 and up to 4. Okay, now we might have to rub this one out so we can see what we're doing. So we want the gradient of the line through that there. So now what we need to do is we need to draw our triangle. We need to go, all right, we've got 2 spaces here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. Okay, we notice it is going downhill, so the gradient will actually be negative. So the gradient here would be 2 over 8, which is 1 over 4. So it will be minus, because it is going down. And possibly just one more. So let's go -4, -2, and B, which is 2 minus 5. Okay, so let's plot those points. So cross -4, so that's that way. Down to 2, so that's that way. That's A. Across 2 and down to 5. So there we go. It is a negative gradient again. Draw our triangle. We go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. So the gradient will equal rise on run. So the rise is the 3, and the run is the 6. So the run's that, and the rise is the 3. So let's just write those in. So you go 3 over 6, which is 1 on 2. But we do have a little bit of a problem here because we can see that it is going down, so you make an N. So every time you increase, you go down. So if you go across 1, it goes down. So because it is downhill, then the gradient would be negative. So you go, if that's uphill, that's positive, and downhill, that's negative, and this is the rise on the run. Okay, that's your gradient.